Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi unpair setting in our Tecno phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone device. Guys you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network guys, which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired already, and if you want to unpair guys you don't want to use this network, so guys you can unpair, and guys you want to forget, so guys you can forget also. So guys now let's see how to unpair it. So first of all guys we will have to on our phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys click on guys your Wi-Fi setting. So you can see guys this type of Wi-Fi network, and which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired, then guys you want to unpair me. So guys press on Wi-Fi and guys click on this forget option to unpair, means then guys you cannot use this Wi-Fi network guys, you will have to enter password again if you use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in a Tecno phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Then guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.